Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on WhatsApp. So if you have been using WhatsApp for a certain while and then you want to add new contacts to your WhatsApp, this is what you need to do. First of all, head over to your WhatsApp app. As you open up the app, you will land on the chats interface. So what you can do is you can simply tap on the top right corner. Once you tap on it, you will land on the new chat section. So tap on new contact in order to add a new friend. After you tap here, now you'll have to enter the details of the new contact. So here I'm just going to enter the details and then also enter the phone number. So I'm just going to enter the phone number here. And then you can fill in different other information that are given over here. And then tap on save on the top right corner. After doing this, you can see that I have now added the person. What I can simply do is go to chat with this person and then say send in a particular message. So this is how you can add a friend on WhatsApp. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit the bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of our new videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.